Who doesn't love a pancake fluffier than a cloud? Magic lies in a combination of buttermilk and baking soda. Buttermilk, being acidic, reacts with the alkaline baking soda to produce a carbon dioxide gas. These tiny gas bubbles expand during cooking, creating airy, tender pancakes. There's another benefit too. This reaction enhances the Maillard reaction, leading to a beautifully brown surface. Compare this to the one using milk. You can see that the bubbles are much less pronounced and the pancakes a lot more miserable. Compared to milk, buttermilk adds not only a fluffier texture, but a richer, more caramelized flavor. Just look at these beautiful, pillowy, delicious pancakes.